Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add border to a shape in Canva. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, we have to add a shape. I'm just gonna add a rectangle. And now, just click the three lines. Now this border style, and you can change its weight to what you prefer. You can also change its style. Now you can change the color of the shape. You can also change the color of the border. You can also adjust the size of the shape. Now if you click this, you can also adjust the roundness of the shape you want. And then that's it everyone. I hope you learned in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.